Well, it is a cold and beautiful day here in Illinois. If you take a look outside the window here, we got some fresh fallen snow. Temperatures are pretty darn cold. It's actually quite pretty. It's got a lot in the trees, but I'm getting ready to head up to the Chicagoland fishing and fishing expo up at the Schaumburg Renaissance Center. So I'm going to go up and check out some fishing stuff. So come along. Well, made it to the Schaumburg Renaissance Center. Had a hard time finding a parking spot. A lot of people out here today wanting to check out the fishing show. So we're going to go in here and check it out. This little guy.
He's an American kestrel falcon. You tell he's a falcon by the black stripes going down his eyes. It's called mallard stripes.
Very nice.
He's a male. You can tell he's a male by the gray feathers on his back. The females are more reddish brown.
So he hunt mice and small varmints and
yep, and small birds.
probably has amazing eyesight and
yes, and he has on the beak they have a little notch. It's called a normal tooth, and they can kill the prey in midair with that.
Oh, really?
Yeah, all the falcons have that little notch.
Yeah. Very cool.
Yeah, he
Thank
hovers
you.
in midair like a hummingbird.
Really?
Yep.
Oh, wow.
If you see, he'll keep
Are
his
they
head
native to this
still.
area?
He'll keep his head still, like he's on a branch.
Like he's on a gimbal, isn't he?
Mm-hmm.
Is he native to this area?
Yeah, they're native. They're in all 50 states, but
Oh.
he is from Illinois too.
Very cool. Thank you. Line cutter, you say?
Doing a video right now?
We're doing a video right now.
So watch this. So hold up that ring for me.
Okay.
So here's your braided line. That's usually harder to cut.
Oh, wow.
And you get a clean cut every single time.
That is nice.
Right? You don't want to wear it as a ring. What's just cool about them, you can mount them anywhere from a boat rail, kayak seat, to the back side of your rod. Completely safe, and they're dipped titanium.
Yeah, that's pretty cool.
We were on Shark Tank 2 years ago.
Really?
Yep.
It's a pretty nice invention. It's pretty neat. What do these run?
We do 1 for 12 or 2 for 20 at the show.
Really?
And we also have, so that's our ring application. This one's going to be flat. So it's going to have 3M tape, so you can put on your center console of your boat. I ice fish. I actually put one on top of my Vexlar even. You don't have to take your gloves off when you're fishing.
Very cool. Florida boat.
The smallmouth, he's 100% sight feeder. He's not relying on vibration or rattle or noise or anything like that. He's going to do all of these. We've done, fished a fluke, kind of similar to that, a little bit different, but I'll throw it out there, let it sink a little bit, then it's like, it's kind of tough up here. Make a super long rip, just like kind of pull that bait 10 feet at a time. This is something I like to do with like chartreuse or pink flukes or something like that, reel down, just rip the bait 10 feet at a time, let it stop, rip the bait, let it stop, rip the bait. And if you keep your eyes peeled following the bait, you'll see those fish come up behind you. Let it sink, twist it a couple times, stop.
Well, that's a wrap from the Schaumburg Convention Center on the Chicagoland fishing show, and I had a lot of fun. Got a few items, talked to a few people from Lake Erie, from different lakes. A lot of Canadian boat excursions and hunting trips. But pretty nice, fun thing to do on a winter day. So get a chance next year to come out. A lot of stuff to see and do. Until next time, see you later.